Today, we're introducing you to a free PC protection and optimization tool called S.O.S Security Suite. This isn't just another security tool, it's a comprehensive ally in the fight against digital threats. Imagine a security guard that fits in your pocket. S.O.S Security Suite is that guard, ready to plug into any computer via USB. It's the perfect emergency tool, offering a detailed system overview at startup, so you know exactly what's happening under your PC's hood. But it's not all about the first impression. The suite's anti-malware capabilities are vast, from fixing Windows with DIS-M to resetting key system settings. Beyond protection, the Security Suite suggests tweaks for better browser and system performance. It's about maintaining speed and security, ensuring your computer stays in top form. While S.O.S Security Suite may have a learning curve, the payoff is a PC that's not just secure but also swift and smooth. For those seeking a robust alternative to conventional security software, this suite is a solid choice. Discover more and download the software from the developer's page. Keep your Windows PC safe and speedy with S.O.S Security Suite.